It used to take teams of artists and months of rendering to produce a few seconds of high-quality animation. Today, you can build an automated animation studio entirely on a single screen. Instead of a traditional timeline editing software, we use a node-based generative pipeline. This is a web of interconnected blocks where each step automatically triggers the next. You drop a static image and a text script into the left side of the system, and it delivers a polished, scored, animated scene out the right side. You build this entire process inside a single user interface canvas. You no longer have to juggle 5 different browser tabs or pay for separate standalone AI apps. Data flows sequentially. An image generator feeds directly into a video model, which pairs directly with a voice synthesizer. There is no manual downloading or uploading between steps. You stop working as a manual animator, moving frame by frame, and start operating like a studio executive, directing the flow of production. Step 1 is setting the visual foundation. We import a reference image and connect it to a high-fidelity image generator. Before moving forward, you must set the output resolution parameter exactly to 4K, ensuring your assets retain detail during motion. Next, we have to solve the most common failure point in AI animation, character morphing. To fix this, we build a character sheet. We prompt the image node to generate front, side, and 3/4 profile views of our subject. Feeding the AI these specific angles anchors its understanding of the character's exact 3-dimensional shape. If you skip this step, your video will warp and flicker. Locking down this static visual foundation is the strict prerequisite for achieving consistent movement on screen. Now we introduce motion. We connect both our initial key visual and our character sheet directly into a new video generation node. This technique, called Omni-referencing, feeds the model multiple images at once, forcing the generated shape to stay solid. A text-only prompt leaves too many gaps in the data, causing the subject's identity to shift wildly from frame to frame. Omni-referencing fills those gaps with hard visual constraints. You also need to dictate the exact duration of the clip in the settings. Type in exactly 10 seconds. We will need this precise number for the audio track. Omni-referencing acts as a strict guardrail. It takes unpredictable generative video and turns it into a controllable motion engine. With visuals locked, we build the audio layer. We add a parallel track of audio nodes below the video layer, one for text-to-speech and one for music. Paste your script directly into the text-to-speech node. Then, select a voice model matching your scene's specific tone, like a calm narrator or an urgent newscaster. In the music node, manually toggle off the lyric setting. You want a pure instrumental film score that supports your voiceover rather than competing with it. Set the music node's duration to 10 seconds to perfectly match the video node. If these numbers differ, your audio and visuals will desynchronize in the final render. When these layers align precisely, they trick the viewer's brain. Instead of perceiving a disjointed string of AI clips, they experience a cohesive, high-budget cinematic sequence. The final step is assembly. We take the outputs from our video, text-to-speech, and music nodes and wire them together into one master composition node. To activate the pipeline, click the composition node and select the command Run Till Here. This triggers a system-wide chain reaction. The software queries the image models, passes references to the VEO engine, generates audio, and stitches it all together. You are no longer waiting for individual elements to render, and you never have to manually drag a file from one program to another. When you are ready to build the next scene, the architecture is already in place. Just duplicate your text nodes, update the location description, and click Run again. The composition node removes the friction of manual timeline assembly, allowing you to focus purely on executing the system. The result is a fully synchronized 10-second cinematic animation with perfect character consistency. But producing the video is only half the process. In the 2026 YouTube landscape, algorithms are actively penalizing fully automated, low-effort content. To protect your account standing and maintain trust with your audience, you must apply the platform's AI-assisted disclosure label when publishing. We have to separate the execution layer from the strategy layer. The nodes handle the execution, the rendering, the coding, and the timing. The strategy layer, the editorial judgment and the story, still requires a human. Building an automated studio does not replace your creativity. It simply removes the technical friction, allowing your specific human-led stories to rapidly scale at the speed of thought.